Hi everyone! Today we're going to be drawing the leader of the Dinobots, the mighty Grimlock. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our drawing tutorials. Also, if you feel like I'm drawing too fast, remember you can always change the video speed in the bottom right corner of your screen. Take your time, relax, and let's bring this awesome powerhouse to life. As we draw, I'll be sharing some cool facts and interesting details about Grimlock. Fun fact! Grimlock is the leader of the Dinobots, a team of Autobots who can transform into prehistoric creatures. His alt mode is consistently a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex. Interesting detail. Grimlock is famously known for his caveman-like speech patterns, often using simple phrases like "Me Grimlock Goodbot" or "Me Grimlock Crush," a trait that actually makes him quite endearing. Cool info. Grimlock is physically one of the strongest Transformers in existence, capable of going toe-to-toe with even Megatron or Optimus Prime. His raw power is nearly unmatched. A scary detail. In the G1 continuity, the Dinobots were created by Wheeljack to be super strong, but they were almost too powerful and rebellious. Grimlock often challenges Optimus Prime's leadership. Interesting fact. In the live-action movie Age of Extinction, Optimus Prime tames and rides Grimlock into battle, a massive and iconic moment that showed Grimlock's reluctant allegiance. Fun fact, Grimlock's classic weapon is his Energo sword, which is usually depicted as a massive glowing blade that can slice through most Decepticon armor. Interesting detail. Despite his low intelligence persona in G1, in some other continuities, like the IDW comics, Grimlock is actually portrayed as a brilliant tactician and scientist, whose simple speech is just an act or a side effect of his power. Cool info. When he transforms into his T-Rex mode, he gains the ability to breathe fire, adding an extra layer of prehistoric danger to his attacks. Interesting fact, the Dinobots were originally intended to be a one-off team, but they were so popular with fans that they quickly became a permanent and beloved part of the Autobot roster. A final fact,
In the Transformers animated series, the Dinobots were created on Earth after being caught in an explosion, essentially making them the result of an accidental creation rather than a planned Cybertronian team.
And there you have it. We've successfully drawn the mighty Grimlock. Don't forget, you can download the Grimlock coloring page in the description box below. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with ideas for the next character you want to see us draw. Bye-bye!